Did you know the most deadly devil in the existence of the Chainsaw Man series? The first one is more dangerous than the others. The third one is the Control Devil, also known as Makima, who is the main antagonist of the series. She is the embodiment of the fear of control, and she can manipulate the minds and bodies of anyone weaker than her. She can also use the abilities of any devil she has killed. The second one is the Darkness Devil, who is the embodiment of the fear of darkness. He resides in hell and can manipulate shadows and darkness to create deadly weapons and traps. He is so powerful that he can easily overpower and damage several other devils with a single attack. The most powerful devil is the Chainsaw Devil, also known as Denji, who is the protagonist of the series. He embodies the fear of chainsaws, and he can transform his body parts into chainsaw blades. Many other devils fear him. Like, share, and subscribe.